What does meditation mean? The word meditation is derived from the Latin term meditatio, which itself comes from the verb meditare. In Latin, meditare means to think about, to focus on. Meditation refers to a mental practice or technique that involves focusing one's mind and attention to achieve a state of mental clarity, relaxation, and heightened awareness. It is often associated with mindfulness, concentration, and self-reflection. Different traditions and disciplines have their own specific approaches to meditation, but the underlying principle is to train the mind and achieve a state of inner peace and understanding. The practice of meditation has been embraced for its potential benefits on physical, emotional, and mental well-being. How to meditate? Meditation is a wonderful practice that brings deep understanding and peace inside us. Surprisingly, it's simple and available to everyone. The main idea behind meditation is to become fully aware of your thoughts and feelings as they happen in the present moment. To begin, gently concentrate on the details of your thoughts and emotions, observing them as they come and go. This is a powerful way to connect with your true self and experience reality in a profound way. Let's try it out. Close your eyes for a couple of minutes and relax. Let's focus on your breath and let it flow naturally. Feel your heartbeat and see what images or colors come to your closed eyes. Listen to the silence and any sounds that may arise, allowing your mind to stay calm and peaceful. Pay attention to the sensations on your skin from head to toe. Gently touch your tongue to different parts inside your mouth and take a note of any flavors or taste you experience. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to reflect. How do you feel? Did you find it calming and peaceful? Were you able to let go of wandering thoughts? Let's always keep in mind that meditation is taking out some time to be fully present and mindful. It's a simple practice that anyone can do. What happens in meditation? In meditation, we pay attention to our thoughts and observe our mind's activities. It's like being a silent observer of our own mind. When we meditate, our mind becomes focused and calm. As we meditate, our mind attains a state of heightened focus and tranquility. Various meditation techniques allow us to select different objects of focus, such as our breath, our rhythmic beating of our heart, or even one of our senses. We typically meditate with closed eyes and a relaxed body, which enables us to gain a deeper awareness of our thoughts and emotions. How can we engage in meditation effectively? Meditation involves directing our focus inwards, becoming aware of our own thoughts, emotions, and inner experiences. We take a note of the thoughts that arise in our minds and observe the emotions that accompany them, whether they are positive or negative. Additionally, we pay close attention to the patterns that shape our thinking process. The key is not to become entangled or carried away by our thoughts, but rather to observe them with a sense of detachment, free from judgment. By allowing thoughts to naturally come and go, we maintain a state of presence and concentration throughout the meditation session. This approach enables us to explore our inner world more deeply and attain the benefits of meditation effectively. Science behind meditation. During meditation, it's common to observe our thoughts wandering to the past or future, repeatedly drifting away from the present moment. The act of skillfully bringing our focus back to the present is the essence of meditation. Our minds have a natural inclination to wander and remain busy, and it's crucial not to become frustrated or angry with this tendency. Instead, we should approach it with a gentleness and kindness, gently guiding our mind back to the present and allowing ourselves to be still and calm. True meditation involves not actively doing anything, which can be the most challenging aspect. However, it is a skill that develops over time through consistent practice. Immediate results should not be expected, but with persistence, success will come. Gradually, your mind will become more disciplined and attuned to the present moment. A moment of clarity might strike you during meditation, where you suddenly realize that you are in a state of meditation. However, it's entirely normal for your mind to wander again after this realization. Through practice, you can improve your ability to return to the meditative state whenever distraction arises. Even if your mind drifts away occasionally, be patient and gently guide it back to the here and now. Cultivating a daily meditation habit is essential for fostering these skills and experiencing the full benefits of the practice. Remember, progress takes time, so allow yourself the space to grow and evolve in your meditation journey. What happens when we practice mindfulness? Promoting a sense of calmness and peace in our minds enables us to make better decisions. Conversely, when our minds are troubled or restless, our decision making may suffer. Meditation brings us a beautiful inner calm. It feels like a special presence surrounds us. In this peaceful state, we make decisions that are not only good but also lead us in the right direction, bringing positive changes to our lives. That's why having a peaceful mind is important and meditation helps us achieving it. When our emotions like anger, boredom, sadness, fear, and worries dominate our thoughts, they impair our judgment and results in errors. Decisions made in such agitated state can be harmful to both ourselves and others, causing increased stress and elevated blood pressure. A restless mind often leads us to make poor choices. In a state of contentment and inner peace, life blossoms with beauty. Our relationships take on deeper significance, and joy becomes a constant companion. During the good days, our performance excels, leading us to achieve success effortlessly. In the face of challenges, we maintain composure and our relationships endure with unwavering strength.